Hello, how to solve for s in this equation 2s squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. We want to solve this problem using quadratic formula. Solution. We have 2s squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. By quadratic formula, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and then c is equal to minus 5. Let's substitute. S is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of b is the same thing as 3 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 2 multiplied by c is minus 5. Then everything divided by 2 multiplied by a is 2. Then here s is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared, that is 9. Here is minus 4 times 2, that is minus 8. Multiplied by minus 5, that is plus 40. Then everything divided by 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Then s is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 40, that is 49. Everything divided by 4. And this is the same thing as minus 3 plus or minus square root of 49, 7. Everything divided by 4. Now, s is equal to minus 3 plus 7 divided by 4, or s is equal to minus 3 minus 7 divided by 4. Now, s is equal to minus 3 plus 7, that is 4 divided by 4, or s is equal to minus 3 minus 7, that is minus 10 divided by 4. S is equal to 4 here 1, 4 here 1, 1, or s is equal to here 2 here 2, 2 here 5, that is minus 5 divided by 2. Therefore, our final answer are s1 is equal to 1, or s2 is equal to minus 5 over 2. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2s squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0 when x is 1, Then we have 2 bracket 1 square plus 3 bracket 1 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Then here 1 square, that is 1 times 2. 2 plus 3 times 1, 3 minus 5 must be equal to 0. 2 plus 3, this is 5 minus 5 must be equal to 0. 5 minus 5, here is 0 is equal to 0, which is true. Also, when s is equal to minus 5 over 2, then we have 2s squared plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 bracket minus 5 over 2 all square plus 3 bracket minus 5 over 2 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Now this is 2 bracket minus 5 square, that is 25, divided by 2 square, 4, plus 3 multiplied by minus 5, that is minus 15, divided by 2, minus 5 must be equal to 0. Then this is 2 multiplied by 25, that is 50, divided by 4 plus this bracket minus 15 divided by 2 minus 5 must be equal to 0. Then we have 50 divided by 4 plus times minus, this is minus 15 divided by 2 minus 5 must be equal to 0. The LCM here is 4. Then 4 in 4, 1 times 50, we have 50 minus 2 in 4, 2 times 15, that is 30, minus, here is divided by 1. 1 in 4, 4 times 5, that is 20, must be equal to 0. Then we have 50 minus 30 minus 20, that is minus 50 divided by 4 must be equal to 0. Now here, 50 minus 50, this is 0 divided by 4 must be equal to 0. 0 divided by 4, this is 0 is equal to 0, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.